उज्जीवन स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के मैनेजमेंट ने इनफैक्ट एक इन्वेस्टर मीट में ये कहा कि लोन ग्रोथ का वो गाइडेंस दरअसल FY25 वाला घटा रहे हैं। पहले 25% था, इस बार ही कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ 20% ही रहने की उम्मीद है। इनफैक्ट इन्होंने मार्जिन्स में कोई खास बदलाव नहीं किया। हमारे साथ उज्जीवन स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के MD और CEO इत्तिरा डेविस जुड़ गए हैं। स्वागत है आपका सब और शुक्रिया हमारे लिए समय निकालने के लिए। अगर मुझे अंडरस्टैंडिंग दे सके कि 5% इज क्वाइट अ बिग कट इन योर लोन ग्रोथ गाइडेंस, ऐसा क्या बदल रहा है ऑन ग्राउंड?
Yeah, this growth guidance which we changed was based on a granular study that we did across all our branches and regions, and we believe that the slowdown is being warranted due to the sort of credit cost that is coming. Because of the credit cost, we have decided certain parts of the country we are slowing down the business, and as a result of that, the guidance has been reduced. So once the financial conditions or the situation in those parts of the country improve, then we will be able to pick up. And this is due to various reasons. In some places like Punjab, Haryana, it is political. In some parts of the country, it is overlending, and multiple different things have come into play. So all of this we have now done a granular study, and it is based on that we have changed the guidance. We are more protecting the asset. We are looking to asset quality,
Okay,
and making sure that the asset stays good.
So was this just a cautionary step, Mr. Davis, or have you witnessed delays in repayments in these various pockets?
No, there are delays in payments, and I think both the CRIF as well as the RBI have also made announcements about this. So, we did our study. So we have seen the slowdown in payments, and therefore we have increased our credit cost guidance from 1.5 to 1.7 for the year. As a result of this slowdown and the credit cost increase, we have reduced the business in those areas. So we are present in 26 states and union territories.
Correct.
So some pockets where we are seeing the stress, in those areas we are slowing down lending. And that is why the 5% has been impacted.
So what is the rough ticket size of loans that you give out in these sectors? And I remember reading in your presentation, Punjab, Haryana, Southern Tamil Nadu and Kerala, the areas where you've, witnessed this slowdown per se.
Yeah, what has been affected mainly is the group loans in microfinance,
Okay.
where the average ticket size or the average borrower is about 50,000 rupees.
Okay. And for how long do you sense this pain is going to persist, if I can call it pain?
I think, we see it at least for the first half of the year. And then perhaps in the second half, things should get better in some of the places, hopefully across the country. You see, the government is also, the new budget will be announced shortly. All that expense which is there in the budget or the outlays of the budget will get into the system. And all of those will be felt in the economy in the second half. So that will make some impact, and that will help in some places. And some areas where they are looking at loan waivers and all that, all those issues will go away or will fall away by the beginning of the second half, because all the beliefs that they had that this will happen will not be there, and hopefully things will get back to normal.
But you are expecting loan waivers from the government, because there have been hints from a couple of state governments.
No, so far, this was prior to the Lok Sabha elections. Now the state elections in some states are coming. So we have to see what plays out. Now, for us, fortunately, in the states that are going to elections, we don't have that much of exposure in those states.
Okay.
So not worried about that from a Ujjivan standpoint. But we'll have to see it from the economic standpoint as well.
But what gives you the confidence of maintaining margins at 9%?
Yeah, that's a good point, because we are now trying to reduce our cost of funds.
Okay.
We will be lowering interest rates on term deposits from the 1st of July, because we believe that's the way things are going. And also, better liquidity management will help in that regard. So we believe that margins can stay, and also as the interest rates possibly in the second half of the year begin to come down, from the Reserve Bank, we are looking for hopefully that will begin to happen in the third or fourth quarter, then that will also help us to maintain these margins.
All right, Mr. Davis, what plans after 30th of June? Because these are the last 3 days that you'd spend with the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, and I'm assuming you'll head into a well-planned retirement. What do you intend to do with your time?
No, I will continue to be connected with the financial industry. I'm going to be playing some advisory roles. But yes, I'll have a little bit more of leisure time, so a little bit of travel and catching up on things that I have not had a time to do before or in the last couple of years.
Well, good luck to you, sir. And maybe we can keep talking to you when we want an expert advice on matters related to the MFI sector.
Thank you, Harshada.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
तो